Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Screenshot. Namhla sisehabani esigodini and we're here to talk to our youths. Our lapha ukuthi basitshele about their way of life, how they make money. Vele the episode is all about money and the social life of the youths of ehabani. So without taking much of your time, Nzathi, basi introduce. So you first.
Molweni, igama lami ndinguNomhlekazi Valentine, also known as Qhawekazi Hlehle.
Salibonani, mina igama lami kuthiwa Alex Mbuthu.
Alright, Alex Nomhlekazi, welcome to The Screenshot. So I had already said to namhla sifuna ukukhuluma ngemali. What young person does not like money? But isifuna was ukuthi how do the young people of ehabani or esigodini in general make money? Liyenza njani imali?
As for me, in Milan, there's street vending, ukuthengisa. And then there's selling handmade things, crafting. Bese kuba khona ukuthengisa ukudla. Obvious, people love food. Also, mina personally, I'm a passionate crafter. Nyenza ama-jewelries, ama-bracelets, necklaces, bags, and stuff. I also sell amabele. It's cool. Yes. Lama snakes.
Yeah. Speaking about side hustles, I want to know how much of side hustles do we find here than formal jobs? You know, mas formal jobs and this local teacher or nurse and that's what we call the formal sector. So, but for area actually, side hustles, are they equivalent? Are higher? Are lower? Especially when it comes to in Tama.
Like in Escotin, they are high because we have mining, vendoring, we're also wealthy.
Let's go for abantu. So the things we do really.
So you hustle hard, Velila.
Yeah.
Like young people, all of you want to hustle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kule interest in doing formal, like ukungena ku formal sector. Phela kudala yabona, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a teacher. But Karesi has the kule shift in.
Yeah, shifty corner. Even though formal jobs, we don't favor them because we get less income. But for the future, because we can't rely on mining every day, because like this side hustle, yafika level ukuthi base be-employ abantu who have certificates in mining, who have knowledge in mining, so we can't consider it like a lifelong thing. But for now, and for me, for the next 5 or 4 years, I know it's cool.
So issue la is a madini.
Yes.
But and then phambili kulo nje evithi ngani kuyethuza mjani kasokuthiwa ufuna certificate. What do you think, Hlehle?
I think actually I don't prefer a professional job. Usebenzela $250. Uzoyihola ngemonth. Then I can get that $200 nge 2 days okanye nge day. But then nayo kanje professional job.
Formal sector.
Yeah, informal sector ntontoni iyadingeka at some point because you can't rely on hustling. You never know. Business sometimes iyakwazi uthula. But at least wena mawusebenza ukwazi ukuthi ngizothola something.
Alright, so lapha mawuseli hustle la thengisa amabheli yani. Sikhulumeni ke nge-social life. Kunjani ke? Now that it's a weekend, you have money, you've made your money. Senzani esigodini?
It's Friday.
Njenganamuhla we're shooting on a Friday. So suka lapha siyangaphi?
So mna ngendlini.
Okay. Alex yena uthi endlini.
Mina most probably ngezipast siyakhala.
Ngisikhala. You know what? If you come from maybe kwendawo that is relatively bigger, people think ukuthi maybe small towns people akulanto vele yenzakala ukuthi nje Friday siyalala, my Sunday to Sunday is the same thing. I want to change the narrative. So namuhla ke kusenzakala Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What are we doing?
Lapha esigodini kunanti kukhona ugcwele vele. You.
What do you do on the weekend?
We go out to enjoy chillax and stuff.
At least ikhipha amabizo endawo. Sifungihamba siphenduke phela.
Nje isindawo.
Okay, Sile, we have Athens, Sile Sharks, Sile Beer Garden, Toy Royal. They call it Royal just because I feel it's the Royal Palace.
It's the Royal Palace.
Yeah.
So ke bacela abantu.
Like ungalinda.
The way I smile.
Ungalinda until sunset as well.
Akumbe nje ngabo 6-7 ebezokuqalela.
No, but last time I was here, I think it was in December. We were also recording. And I recorded about besithi December is the best. Yeke bekubiza inshiva lani that was a lie.
Not really. Lapha it's always the best, especially ama weekends so. But ngama month ends. Enhle kuma unemali. Yes.
So a crowd ke bekulabo bani. What does the crowd consist of?
Yeah, hlobo wonke. Like kule ndawo ezihlukene Athens, Sharks, ziningi izindawo. So indawo zonezo kuyabe kunabantu different people.
So as abantu ababe bethanda ubunandani, you go to different places and nxa kuhlangene utshwala, kuhlangene osisi, kuba la kungama squabbles, lina lichayisana la khona lokho. On a weekend. Lichaya groove sharp clean civil throughout. Akuxatshana anti lapha kulabo gweja. Kulento ezinengi civil everything is fine.
Not really.
It happens timing. Yeah, obvious. There's lama grudge. Not me la personal but bakhona vela omunye ufuna ukuya nathi umntwana. Then yeah no each and every bar kulama bar vele abawudoba ibrogo vele bawulahlela phandle nxa usumisbehave just to maintain lokuthi kuze sikhulu. Then omunye lapha I think we are all equal. Ngoba even induna zonke ezilemali bakhona isize lathi silemali kulena la iliwe. So sabe sihlezi sonke eceleni vele sihlaba ngakhipha 100 la ngikhipha 100. So like we live normal life. Chana nge-status lokuthi wena ukulevel iphi karezi. Akula pressure lapho ukuthi la uhamba eBMW la ngisasa ngiyavuka ngihamba. It's normal. Lapha it's like it's normal everything ngani ngamanzi.
Is that easy to make money ngapha? Usungavuka simlukhuphukile just a day.
Siyachona kusasa nxa ulimhlanje. Siyachona from AGBs.
So what stops other young people ukuthi bazama ukungena ngapha? There's something attractive about asingakuthi izimani. Kukhona attractive inje lami vele nje kwamba sen. Nangazi ucabanga kabili kathathu nje ama life choices. But like how we know right, let's say anti kulama dangers that you may find but what stops other young people from venturing into such things?
Focus.
Would you say it's focus or ukuzivimbela wena elokhuzeni?
It's 442.
Is it beneficial at the end of the day?
Lokwesaba umuntu kumele athathe ama risk ngomuntu. Usitshela ukuthi yabona this thing noma ungazi ukuthi ekugqibeleni izawuba njani but try.
Wena wayengekho khona Alex.
I'm there.
You're already there.
I'm there. I'm there.
Ela ndiyambuza nje the only thing you do is bhala
to school like to get formal job.
Okay.
To substitute like I'll be having maybe my shop some maybe in the shop ngaba nge formal job. So on a Friday if I get a pay when I'm married or something Eliana ibuzwa because already home is mine. So Veliani be lokuthi imali nayibuzwa. So I like it's not like that formal job is for that. But it's like you should be abroad. Yamele ufuna ama brackets ngaqaba. You can't stick to one. Yeah, ngisesikolo I do schools but I substitute. Vele ngaba le gap umbe le chance umbe ngabe le pressure yabe ndabanye ngikangeni khona. Seke ngoba you never know. Ngaba shy 20 grams. Ilanga eliwani ngavela ule 1000 maybe 1000.2 yabenchisa. Then I go back to my books. I advance everything.
Ngicela ukubuza how we hear his story on how it is there Kanye. How dangerous is it actually? Is it true or is it not true ukuthi kulama dangers that you face mawuse Kanye?
In some areas ama dangers akhona like obvious law ama police. Then now wacha imali eningi there are those that are not disciplined. base fukulwela ukuthi maybe igote ligebhekile liphuma imali yiwo ama-dangers esihlangana la but vele nxa ngathi shawaphosa kuyabaleka that's normal abaleka but usually kare sogcwele ama-mine so ema-mine I think each and every mine is registered so uyabona ngani employed but at the same time vele obvious no phansi ngale wabona ilitshe licazimula thatha ufake isikhwameni amaye vele abaseji abaye vele like there are favors I can't say sichama deal but there are favors like you can't wait for payday la una security guard emayini uphuma so la ngikhathi yakho la uhamba so la uphuma ilanga nje ukuthi yalisidli la msindli we are all equal ama keyword they eat more than enough asikhuluma vele abengizwa kuhle ngivinto ezawuxotsha but just konkhana ukuthi akhiphe seniority yakhe lokuthi yena ngibani maintain that status maintain ukuthi I'm the boss but at the end of the day uyahamba kwenye imali get employed
so they don't kill my girlfriend then so when I watch as young girls learn do those things attract you so much okay to between teacher show no Alex not low Alex saying general
Ngeke to Alex.
Okay to Alex manje gender wise wasisibona bamba ekhanyeni
uside asile ama-mines ayavulwa they last clue so osisi like bahle bavula ama-kitchen eceleni kwemine
oh right
so labantu ababeshiphi from Monday to Friday bayabithenga kwababisi.
Okay, so ama-age group usually ngabomama kumbe ngabo nomhlekazi kumbe ngabo middle aged usually what's the age group abanjani abathatha i-initiative yokuthi mana siqase sizopheka kwapha
Because indawo leya if you are allowed at home uyahamba uyandama like it's open
really
free for free
all right nje to wrap things off what are the challenges are faced by ama-youths lapha eLokuzeni Scotland
Challenges.
ama-challenges nje
formal
employment
yes that one is minimum because singadisemployer counseling anti nescotini so which means the council DDF isibhedlela normal shops la training center being a teacher a lecturer at agricultural college yeah I think
Angafundanga.
Yeah, it's actually difficult. Yeah, it's actually difficult ngoba you know like ezandleni isitshiye
true
mina ngiyabe ngiyaphiwa ukuthi like ukuze ngithole imali mina like ngithole formal job but maybe ngokuswela kumbe ngokungabi kwazi kwami because kule peer pressure high pressure ikhona ngoba umyeze la ngiyakwazi ukuba kusasa sengimali ngihambe namhla ngaget of the night then unomhluzo sithi angisayi isikole abantu Alex yenze sejoina ngayo para so that I so part
yeah that is true
so yiyo ama challenges ami
ngiyabo umpressure ungananzeleli la ukuthi umpressure
wena uthi ungani
hayi ngiyakuzwisisa so guys Lena what are your wishes for Esgodini in 5 years time lifisa ukubona Esgodini indawo enjani especially for our youth
as fees actually happening because
it's happening
because
nice.
there is like ngathi yabona iyakhula development there is development which means more development means more jobs builders bahamba amakhosi every day abesemsebenzini naso uzama ukuthi kare sanyimi kare simple township evule 2000 lanje it's almost full yakho every day so like vele lathi sesibona ngokuza lesilabo mahachula not vele sebekhona silelo density
Namalonga.
ayizwakali
and stuff. Akuplant.
but vele indawo le
Growth point.
I don't know for us we travel a lot and it's very looks like home nje very nje ngilathi bengandaba kusemalokishini vele siyazifanakela nje so I see where you're going wena ke ngiyaz sifiso sakho se 5 years for Esgodini and it's you
Khona kwasekuchilo chomi.
nayi
Okay.
Awufunda amabhele akho abezethenga esule shop wena.
Sifiso sami ukuthi in 5 years kube sekunjani?
For ama-youth awesigodini ukuthi abasebenzi bekuzinga liphi, which level do you want them to be?
Hayi basabe sebele focus because bazabe sebebona ukuthi imali iyatholakala umuntu engavuza. So in 5 years time la basebona bona umhlekazi if they can do it lathi we can. Yes.
Hayi ngiyabonga guys. Thank you for ukukhuluma la. Abantu vele bekufitshana. Bese yesicande kumenda kunini zasifisa so. Anyway, for those at home, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode. This is Kotini. I hope you learned something new. You know, we have this bias towards indawo esingazaziyo. We always think ukuthi indawo inje. So that's why we do this. That's why we travel all over Zimbabwe. Ukuthi sinjani sikwenza ukuthola perspectives from different youths in different areas. So make sure you like, follow, subscribe on all our social media pages. See everywhere. We're on X, we're on TikTok, we are on Instagram, Facebook, Sikona. So show us some love. And also tell us what you want us to talk about next time. So until next week, bye.